Hey everyone, and welcome to our July market update. My name is John Powers, and today we want to update you on what's been going on in the Virginia Beach real estate market. Have you been wondering what is going on in the real estate market? I know that there is a ton of stuff on the news right now, and every time I pull up any news site, there's something about real estate, the market. We wanted to talk today about some national trends that are affecting all of us, and especially the local market here in Virginia Beach. I'm going to talk about 4 trends today. First is we're seeing the number of offers on the average home declining. That is, some of the impact of the rising mortgage rates that we're seeing. What we were seeing before is 5.4 offers per home, and now we're seeing 4.2. Still a strong number, but we're seeing things start to soften and moderate. The second point, offers over asking is down a bit as well. Before we saw 61% of homes were going for over asking. Now it's down 55%. Still incredibly competitive, but we're seeing softening there as well. Not a major decline, just some softening. Number 3, the pace of sales is down. And number 4, finally, we are seeing some increased inventory. So the month supply of inventory is ticking up, and that puts more options on the market for you as a buyer. The increase in inventory has been attributed to, well, not so much an increase in new listings, there has been a little bit of that, but a slowdown in the pace of sales, as I just mentioned with point 3. Same inventory, but fewer sales is going to mean more months of supply on the market for you as a buyer. So looking at existing home sales across the country, it's projected that we're gonna finish out this year at 5.4 million home sales across all of the United States. Last year was 6.1, and in 2020, it was 5.6 million. So those were just 2 banner crazy years of home sales. This year, it's ticking down a little bit, and so we're gonna see increased inventory. In general, what we're seeing is we're moving back to a pre-pandemic market as far as home sales go. A few stats that I wanna share that are specific to the Virginia Beach market. Right now, we have, as of this video, 910 homes on the market in Virginia Beach. And that is up quite a bit from the 747 homes that we had as of our June video. More telling than these numbers, I think, is that we saw 1,016 new listings in the month of June versus 904 new listings in the month of May. So roughly a 10% increase there, which is great to see as far as homes coming on the market. We saw an average of 15 days on the market for all listings in Virginia Beach versus 13 days on the market for the month before. So properties are still moving quick, but we're seeing a little bit of slowdown there. Okay, so what does this mean for you? It means that there's gonna be less competition, there's gonna be fewer bidding wars, and ultimately that means less upward price pressure on the market. So on the year, we're still projected to see about 8% increase in home prices, down a lot from last year, but that number stayed the same throughout. That projection continues to stay hovering at about 8%. If that changes, we will be the first to let you know. Now, what does this all mean for you as a home buyer or seller? It means it's still going to be very difficult to find yourself a new home. The pressures are different than they were a year ago because now we have interest rates rising. Home affordability is becoming one of the main factors and challenges when it comes to buying a house right now. Not as much the competition. But some of these factors are creating more opportunities for buyers, so it's something to pay attention to. If you're in the market, it's still gonna be difficult, but it is not impossible. We wanna help you with that. That is all I have for you today as far as all the nitty-gritty numbers, and I hope that helps. We can also get together, talk about that in person, get it all down on paper. I like looking at the numbers and the charts. We'd love to share that all with you. Thanks so much for watching today. I know that was a ton of information shrunk into a short video. So if you have any questions for us, please don't hesitate to call myself or anybody on the team. We'd love to discuss it with you. If you want more information, check out our website, powersrawls.com, or give me a call at 757-797-5797. Thanks.